Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about the handmade gifts that you can make for your loved ones, and all three ideas are very simple ones that you can make it with a very basic material. So let's get started.
For the first one, I'm using a MDF coaster and I have painted it black, and I'm using white acrylic paint for drawing a random mandala on this. So this design basically can be anything, not just mandala. You can also make some patterns or any specific drawing. And yeah, we are done. Now let's start with the second handmade gift, that is a fridge magnet. So this I have attached this magnet on the back of the MDF coaster and I have painted it black, and now I am putting some random dots with the help of a earbud. So I have chosen golden paint, and you can choose any paint that you like, and the theme is like black and gold, so I am sticking this heart on it. And yeah, this is done. Now I'm using this wooden clip, and I will be painting it to golden again and keep it aside to let it dry. And I'm using this rope to actually tie the photograph on it. And yeah, this is also done. So this is such a pretty gift that you can actually give to any of your friend or your loved ones. And now the third and the last one. So this is a simple black chart paper that I am using, and I will be making a mandala art on it. So I am putting some random lines using a compass, and I'm using this uniball white gel pen to draw the mandala. So I'm making some pattern that I usually draw in my mandalas. So you can choose the same or you can draw on your own. So this is a very simple one that I have chosen here so that everyone can make it. So I'm putting some boundary lines so that it gives a nice look to your greeting card. yeah, we are done. So this is a very beautiful greeting card that you can give to your loved ones, and this is so personalized also. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel FabArts Studio. Thank you.